Today, we're diving into financial freedom. I'm going to show you exactly what you can do when you have only $100 in your pocket. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to start investing, even if you're a complete beginner. I'm here to guide you through this exciting journey, so stick around. Now let's jump straight into it. When you're starting with just $100, the key is to make your money work as hard as possible. It's time to put those savings to work. First up, let's look at ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Think of ETFs as baskets filled with stocks from different companies. Starting with only $100, you can become a part owner of major companies and take your first step toward financial growth. Diversifying your investments means you're protecting yourself from big losses while you learn the ropes. Now, before you get overwhelmed, let's take a moment to talk about crypto. It might seem confusing at first, but it's just another way to grow your money. Think of it as digital assets that can add diversity to your investment portfolio. But hear me out. Crypto might be a bit risky, but that doesn't mean you can't give it a try with your $100. Imagine owning a little piece of Bitcoin or Ethereum. You'd be joining a growing community of crypto enthusiasts. Just remember, always do your research before jumping into crypto. Then there are REITs, real estate investment trusts. REITs allow you to own a small part of income-producing properties without actually buying a house or a rental property. If you've ever dreamed of owning real estate, REITs might be the perfect opportunity for you. But wait, there's more. Sometimes investing in yourself is the best investment of all. Think about buying a course or a book that helps you learn the ropes of investing. Wouldn't it be great to have a guide to help you along the way? So now you know where to put your money. Let's talk about how much you should invest in each place. Remember, this is your $100 working hard for you. Imagine you've got $100 and you want to invest it wisely. How about putting $20 into an ETF? That's like owning a little slice of many big companies. Then you could invest $20 into crypto. Imagine owning a small piece of Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, consider putting $20 into a REIT. This is like owning a little part of a building or a shopping mall without having to buy the whole thing. And finally, set aside $20 to invest in yourself, whether it's buying an investing course or a book. This is like buying a guide to help you on your investing journey. Finally, keep $20 in cash. This is your emergency fund. Having some cash on the side is a good idea just in case something unexpected happens. The cool thing about these investments is that they can grow over time. Think of it like planting a seed. You water it, that's your money, and with time and care, it can grow into something big and strong. But remember, just like plants, investments need time to grow. Don't expect to become a millionaire overnight. Be patient and consistent and watch your investments flourish. So there you have it. In just $100, you can take your first step towards financial freedom. Whether you choose ETFs, crypto, REITs, or investing in yourself, it's important to start somewhere. Every successful investor started with a single step. So go ahead, take that step today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember, you don't need to be an expert to start investing. You just need to take the first step. And guess what? We're here to support you on your investment journey every step of the way. So hit that subscribe button and join our awesome community. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy investing.